Welcome, friends. Today we are going to discuss that how can we file the income tax challan on the income tax website easily. Let's discuss first that what do you need to have in hand before you start this process. First of all, you should have active internet connection. Make sure that you are paying challan through laptop or computer only. In our experience, we have faced issues while paying through mobile. The most important thing is that apart from having access to internet, you should also have your PAN number and its password ready. The first step is Google the income tax official website and open it. We suggest that kindly save this website for future use. Now, when you are on the income tax website, on the top side in the right, there is an option of login. When you click that, this page will open where you can log in with your PAN number. You have to enter your PAN number first, and then you are supposed to enter your password. And click on this. Please confirm your secure access image. Once you do that, you will be able to log in into your income tax ID. Now on the top blue ribbon, the second option is e-file. When you click on e-file, the next option you have to click is e-pay tax. When you click on e-pay tax, you would find two options. One is for old income tax and one for new income tax. Please note that if you are going to pay the income tax challan for prior assessment years till assessment year 26-27, you should select the old income tax act, which is 1961. For future, when you will be paying income tax for the future years, you should select the new income tax act. Press on continue. You can see that now a tab is there where there are three sub tabs. One is save draft, generated challans, and completed challans. You have to click on generated challans. There, all the challans which were generated and not yet paid will be visible. We would have already created challan for you, or your tax assistant would have created this challan for you. We are assuming that the challan is already created by us and you just need to go and pay it. You can see the list of all the challans which were generated. If you go to the extreme right of the challan you want to pay, you will see that there are three dots against each line item. When you click on those three dots, you will see the options. The first option is pay. Click on pay and a prompt will pop up where you also have to agree to terms and conditions and submit to bank. Once you click it, it will go to the bank. We already have selected the bank where you want to, from where you want to pay the challan. So don't worry about it. It will go to the bank where you want to pay it. Now, if you have selected the net banking option, once you click on the pay, it will go to the bank website and where you can log into the bank's website with your internet banking user ID and password, and you can make the payment as you make any other online payment. One confusion which is usually asked by everyone is that usually on the bank website, while paying through the net banking, the bank website shows two options, retail users or corporate users. So which one you need to select? If you have a saving bank account and any other personal account, choose retail users. If you are paying through any business current account, use corporate users. Similarly, if you have asked us to create a challan and you want to pay it via UPI, it will the process till clicking on pay is going to be the same, but once you click on pay and you submit it after accepting the terms and conditions, this will go to this payment portal where you can see that the UPI option is there. Once you click on UPI option, a scanner will appear. Use this scanner to pay by scanning and making payment. Once you complete your payment, either by net banking or by scanner, it will go back to the income tax website. And once it goes back to income tax website, you can log off and you can inform us and we will download the challan. There is no need to download the challan and send it to us. We will download it ourselves. Thank you so much for your patience. This is very important that while all the workings are ready and only tax payment is pending, once you make the payment, we will be able to file your ITR return. Thank you so much. If you still have any doubt, you can reach out to the team and we can help you with.